What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jace bringing you a brand new video, and today we've got a highly requested video about the TikTok shop. Ever since I made the video on how you can make $10,000 a month over on the TikTok Creative Challenge, which is TikTok's brand new program, I've been getting DMs on other ways that people can make money on TikTok this year. For those of you guys that are new to the channel, my name is Jace. I'm a former full-time streamer turned full-time UGC creator and mentor, and I've completely flip-flopped my brand and this channel, so make sure you guys subscribe because I'm going to be offering a bunch of helpful tips and tricks, finance videos that are on the way, and just ways for you guys to make more money as a creator in this crazy time that we're living in. So I'm already making great money on TikTok as of now, but you can always make more. And TikTok Shop is just another opportunity for you guys to do that. I've only been doing it for a month, and in today's video, we're going to dive into my dashboard. I'm going to go through all the features of TikTok Shop so you guys can understand it a whole lot better. And hopefully by the end of this video, you guys will fully understand TikTok Shop and be able to take advantage of it. So before we hop into my dashboard and kind of show you all the features, you probably want to know how you can get into this program. Maybe you already know when you're watching this video, that's fine, but I know there's plenty of people out there that have no idea. So I think most of you guys already know what TikTok Shop is by now. So TikTok Shop started getting a lot of traction late last year, and essentially they were just trying to make their own Amazon or AliExpress built into TikTok, and it's super popular. And with that, that allows you, the creator, to make videos on all the products that you see on TikTok and earn commissions based on those. You can request up to 5 samples at a time, and something that's pretty crazy is I haven't paid a dime for any of the products like this. There's a digital camera for you guys that I got from the TikTok shop. Here's a pretty cool product that I'm going to be making a video on, the Govee Glide Hexagon lights. Didn't pay a dime for it, and I've got Govee lights in my room already, and I figured, wow, a chance for me to add something like this to my room and make a video on it, something that I'm actually happy to make a video on and earn some commission on? Sure. So what are the requirements? You need to have 5,000 followers on your TikTok account. You need to be over the age of 18. Super simple. And then it's your job to start searching for products that interest you, making the videos, posting the videos, and earning commission. So are you guys ready to hop into TikTok Shop? Let's get into it. So here's my main TikTok account, and as you guys can see, I've only posted a few TikTok Shop videos. I've only been doing this for about a month, but one of my most recent videos, this cologne video, has done over 450,000 views, and it's going insane. And it's made me close to $1,000 alone, just this one video. So when looking at your own TikTok page, you can see that there's a showcase or TikTok Shop area where you can add certain products that you find interesting and products that you want to show off to the people that follow you. And then to get into the TikTok Shop, you're just going to click that little TikTok Shop button above your showcase area to hop into the TikTok Shop Creator Center. Now, this is where all the magic happens. This is where you're going to find new products that interest you, find best-selling products, which is very important, manage all the samples that you've requested from brands, check out your estimated commission. You'll see your collab invites in case any brands want to reach out to you specifically to post one of their products. And let me just tell you, since I started TikTok Shop, my DMs on TikTok Shop have been going insane. I get hundreds of brand DMs every single day on TikTok. So you really got to be smart on which ones you want to pick and choose from. From the dashboard, you can also manage your showcase. Maybe you have a product you don't want to feature anymore. You can simply remove it from your showcase. The collab invite area is super simple. A lot of these products are kind of hit and miss. I recommend just going to the product marketplace and finding products you like the most. I'd say the product marketplace is the most important tab in the dashboard. You're going to find categories based on things that you like. Just from what the TikTok algorithm has picked up on, maybe you've been liking TikTok Shop videos or certain products. You're going to find a list of best sellers, which in my opinion are pretty important when it comes to finding a product that you're going to pick, because products that do well are probably going to do well for you as long as you make a solid video. Another thing is you kind of want to like the product. For instance, I love video games, so I got this handheld video game console from the TikTok Shop and made a video on it. It's kind of hard to talk about a product when you don't really relate to it. So we can click on these Gym Reapers lifting straps, and as you can see, they have 75,000 of these in stock currently on the TikTok Shop. They're not running out anytime soon. You could request a free sample. Unfortunately for me, my sample limit has been reached, but once you get those items in that you requested samples on and make videos on them, that sample request limit will be reset. Here's a super secret tip that I figured out that's going to help you guys, and you're going to start getting a lot of DMs like this too once you get started and you're posting good videos. Because here's the deal, if you're making a brand money, they're going to want to reach out to you and send you more product as well as promote that video. So something I like to do is get in contact with the brand that you're interested in, and if they reach out to you specifically, it's even better because you have the leverage. You can ask them if they'd be interested in promoting the video even more to help boost the views, which in the end is just going to make you more money as well as them. So it's a win-win. And they can also send you samples to request straight from the DMs. So if you have a sample request limit, you've already reached it like myself, you can still get free products and samples if the brand reaches out to you wanting you to make a video for them. As you can see, for these lifting straps, you're going to earn $2.55 per sale. You might not think that's a whole lot, but if you have a video get 1.2 million views, you best believe you're going to get a lot of sales on that video, resulting in thousands and thousands of dollars in your pocket. Maybe you're super interested in a product, you feel like you'd make a great video for a product, and you do do have that sample request limit reached and the brand hasn't reached out to you at all, contact the seller. Reach out to them. Let them know you're interested in making a video. Once you request a sample, the seller has 7 days to approve that. If they don't approve, the sample spot will be sent back to your account. You can go ahead and find a new product and request a sample somewhere else. If they do approve it, they'll be shipping you out that product. You'll have 7 days to make a video on it or go live on TikTok with that product featured. You'll also be able to manage all your samples in the dashboard and check where they're at in transit, shipping information, etc. Now, as you can see at the top, in the last 7 days, I've done over $1,100 just in commission. And it's pretty crazy because I just started this program. The cologne video that I talked about earlier that had over 450,000 views and it's still going up, I'm closing in on selling almost 200 bottles of that cologne, making the brand almost $5,000, and in return giving me a nice cut of $1,000. Now, obviously you can make more on different products if the cuts are different. And if you're pumping out videos, just think of 10 videos that are doing $1,000. The money comes in quick and it adds up fast. Not only that, but this cologne house followed me on TikTok and sent me a DM asking for my address because they wanted to send me everything that they had. So make a good video. A brand's gonna love that. They're gonna reach out to you and send you a bunch of products. You're gonna get analytics on all the videos you make, tips and tricks that are built right into the dashboard. See, TikTok wants you to be good at this. They're making money, brands are making money, creators are making money. It's an ecosystem that just works. So hopefully that makes a whole lot of sense to you guys. I know a lot of you out there are interested in making more money on the side, or hey, maybe making this a full-time job. Please, just remember that none of this happens in one day. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Just like the video I made on the TikTok Creative Challenge, you have to put in the work. You have to be passionate about this stuff. When I say full-time UGC creator, I mean it. This is all I do every single day. And if you want to get to that level in anything or any pursuit that you go after, it's going to take time. It's going to be a lot of ups and downs. You're going to have days where you just feel like quitting. But if you want to push through and make it to the other side, you've got to take it serious because who knows how long that opportunity that you want to pursue is going to be there for you. I hope this video was valuable and it helped a lot of you guys out there. As usual, you can find my social media in the description. I would love to connect with all of you. If you have any questions for me, you can reach out to me. You'll find me on all social media. And if you have other specific videos that you want me to make, drop a comment or any questions that you have down below. As always, thanks for watching. It's your boy Jace, and we'll see you in the next one.